damages क्या होता है? Prefixed damages. 100 rupees contract, ठीक है? 100 rupees damages. Already your agreement is going to spell out the amount of damages that will be paid. Unliquidated damages, why I beat myself talking about all these suits is because ये सारे जो rescission है, restitution है, quantum mirror, these are all civil suits that needs to be filed in the court. It will always come in the form of an order from the court. ठीक है? हम अपने में नहीं decide कर सकते. So liquidated damages, your agreement will spell out how much damages you are supposed to pay. 2 times the amount of damage, basically. Twice the amount of the contract. 100 rupees का contract था, your liability clause or your indemnity clause will spell out कि जब ही this clause will be invoked, at that point of time, twice the amount of the agreement has to be paid. ठीक है? 200 रुपए as damages. Clear, simple. Your agreement is basically the answer and the solution. No litigation is required, no case is required. ठीक है? Unliquidated damages मतलब my agreement has no source of telling me कितना damages देना है. Let's go and go to the court and file a suit for that. Court will now basically order कि कितना damage देना है, क्या करना है, whatever. ठीक है? What is a smarter way to go? Agreement में you will get the answer to everything. Court जाने की जरूरत ही नहीं है मुझे. I don't require to go to the court. Your agreement will spell out everything I require. जो भी चाहिए आपका agreement मुझे दे देगा. ठीक है? कोर्ट लिटिगेशन लॉयर की जरूरत ही नहीं है यार. You people are drafting such amazing agreements. हाँ, twice the amount, thrice the amount, जैसे भी हो, spell it out in your agreement. ठीक है? Fine. That is a smarter way to go about it. Ordinary damages, special damages. Ordinary damages क्या होता है? जो actual loss हुआ है. ठीक है? For example, I have given 5 रुपए का basically I have mangoes I have ordered. ठीक है? Now why is suffering this loss will be ordinary loss? Why? Because the actual loss यहाँ पे जो suffer हुआ है ना, ठीक है? मतलब जितना भी loss हुआ है actually हुआ है, you can quantify it, you can show it out. ठीक है? Fine, as simple as that. Special damages is basically something which occurs specially, something that you in the course of business it can occur and you have to calculate it very specially. ठीक है? Which is not ordinary. It is not in the ordinary course of business. So, ordinary damages and special damages are two different kinds of concepts out here, which you have to figure out कि in the course of business मेरा ordinary damage हो सकता है या special damage हो सकता है. According to that, compensation and remedy has to be provided. Special damages यहाँ पे जैसे for example, let's take into account loss of time, loss from operating revenues, loss of business products and properties. All of this can be taken as your special damage. ठीक है? Nominal damages ऐसे ही मतलब basically nothing, ऐसे ही. ठीक है? हो गया मतलब basically is nominal damage मतलब बहुत ही like literally nothing like of that sort, not real damages. It gives to basically court will give a verdict for giving you damages for the sake of it. नहीं होता है generally. मतलब 1 रुपए डैमेज दे दिया यार, ठीक है चलो, let this person's story be taken into account. But इतना कुछ नहीं है, but मुझे देना है. I have to carry on with my work, you know. The court feels that way. So दे दिया मैंने 1 रुपए का damage. Exemplary damages when it comes into play, जब court has to set an example. ठीक है? Court has to give आपको damage दिया है not because of the obligation of the court in a way, but the obligation is to actually set an example कि ऐसा करोगे ना तो भाई तुमको damage देना पड़ेगा. ठीक है? That is basically your exemplary damages. Consequential and incidental damages are also kind of like your ordinary and special damages. ठीक है? Something that occurs in the course of business and something which basically occurs out of the course of business. These are the two differentiating factors. Now, all these damages that you are seeing here, again, you have to differentiate all these damages. ठीक है? Sub damage you won't do, nominal damage, exemplary damage. These are up to the court. ठीक है? You have to go file a suit in the court and only then you will get basically the order for such kind of damages. So your work as a good